So hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to Classroom of Chemistry. Today we here because of the new updates of the Hyderabad Central University. We will discuss about the new updates of the Hyderabad Central University, the change in the Hyderabad Central University in eligibility, fees, and the new updates of the application form release. Discuss about the eligibility criteria of the Hyderabad Central University. Hyderabad Central, if you want to give the entrance examination of Hyderabad Central University, you have to acquire 60% marks in your graduation with the combination of physics and mathematics. This combination is must. When you are pursuing your bachelor's, you have must acquire this combination of physics and mathematics. Now we will discuss about the fees. The fees for general is increased 50 rupees, and for the EWS 600, for OBC 450, and STSC PWD 300, half of EWS. The fees is increased 50 rupees than last year. Then the new updates of the Hyderabad Central University is the release of the application form. The application you can apply in official website of Hyderabad Central University from 21 June to the last date is 20 July. So I will share the link in the description of the official link of the application of the Hyderabad Central University. You can go to the description and you can apply directly to from the official link. And if you click the link now, the link will be not available. Don't blame me later, because it is available from 21 June. Okay, and do not apply from through any third party, means any third party which is related to Central University. Do not apply it from there. Apply it direct through official link. I will share the link in the description. Okay, fine. So the requirement, what is the requirements? In any central universities or any entrance examination, we require JPG format photo. Here the KB is given 25 KB is a requirement for the photograph, your passport size photo, and the signature should be 10 KB. And if you have any caste, STSC certificate will be, the validity is 1 year. For EWS also is applicable. So when you complete your application form from the official site, you please note your payment transaction for future reference. If you selected for Hyderabad Central Universities, the transaction number will be required. So please note the transaction number and the application number also. Fine. So the main thing is if you the fees is not refunded. If you apply for the Hyderabad Central University once, the fees is not refundable. But sometimes when you going to pay from online, there will be some problems created by the server, and accidentally if you pay multiple times, the payment will be refunded. Don't worry about that, the payment will be refunded, but it needs some time. After the last date, they will refund your money, but it takes some time. So that's it. That's the new update of the Hyderabad Central University. Mainly the application form. The application form is available from 21 June. Remember the date, and the link also you can work from the link also from 21 June. I want to suggest some strategy for the Hyderabad Central University, because it is so important for your entrance examination. Let's start. At first you have to go through the previous year questions, at least 5 to 6 years. Okay, 5 to 6 years you have to go through the previous year questions. It is important for any entrance examination all over the India. If you prepare for CUSET, if you want to prepare for BHU, if you want to prepare for DU, the previous years are very much important. If you go through 5 to 6 years or 7 to 8 years previous years, uh, 30 to 40% questions are common. 30 to 40% questions are common if you carefully follow the previous years. So you have 2 months for the exam, because the last date of the application is July and now June is going on. So July and August, the examination may be September. So in first month, prepare for the 5 to 6 years and follow what the question type, the level of the question, and how the type of the question from they asked from different chapters. Then you can go through that type of questions from that chapters. At first you go through the 7 to 8 years. From there make a short note of formulas, numericals, and reactions, etc. Make short notes, because short notes are very important for the last day of revision. At first you go through the previous years, then make short note from them, and after that go through that chapters, because if you want to read now the chapters, the time is very less, so you can't finish your chapters. So at first go through the previous years, make short note from them, from that previous years, and ensure that the chapters that you can't solve, then you read that chapters. But in the view of exam point, not as a if you want to acquire some concepts now, if you can't do that, you can't crack the examination. Now you have to very tricky as well as fast. So I just suggest you that do 60 to 70 questions out of 100 questions, 60 to 70 questions, because the cutoff is around 50 to 55 always, if you want to crack Hyderabad Central University examination. So sometimes you asked about the important chapters of the Hyderabad Central University, but there is no specific chapters, the questions are all around, but I can suggest some chapters, but I can suggest some tricks. The Hyderabad Central University mainly focus on physical chemistry. Okay, so you have to be good in numericals, because they relate everything to the numericals and ask in form of numerical. So in physical chemistry, what you have to do, spectroscopy, electrochemistry, atomic quantum, not that level of quantum, atomic structure you can say, but not very deep concepts of quantum. pH, chemical equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, phase rule, and other chapters where numericals can come, because but they ask from these chapters most, and some of mathematics, 11th 12th mathematics, at least 15 to 20 questions comes from mathematics. You can't skip mathematics if you want to crack the Hyderabad Central University examination. If you have to do 15 to 20 questions from mathematics, you have to go through the 11 12 chapters. So from organic chemistry, general organic chemistry, stereochemistry, name reactions, reagents, NMR, IR, and biomolecules. These chapters are, if you go through that will be fine. For inorganic chemistry, radioactivity, coordination chemistry, main group, sp little bit, and 18 electron rule, organometallics, that part some. Okay, if you go through that chapters that I mentioned here, but I mentioned see, if you want to crack some entrance examination, you can't do suggestion, but the questions are come most from that chapters. If you go through, I repeatedly said about the previous year question papers. If you go through 5 to 6 year question paper, you can only understand about the chapters where the questions comes most. I go through the chapters, I realize that these chapters are very much important, but there are other chapter comes from some 5 to 10 questions or less. So you have to solve 5 to 6 year question to understand the type of the question, the level of the question, and the questions from which chapters they are coming. Okay, so that's it. All the best for your exam. The application will be start at the university portal, will be start open from 21 June and it will close 20 July. So I will share the link in the description. Hurry up and fill up your Hyderabad Central University, because it is in view of research, it's 2 or second or third rank holder all over India, and among the IITs it's hold a 4th or 6th rank. So Hyderabad University is equivalent to IITs. So don't worry, those students who did not clear the IIT JAM exam or get any IITs, prepare for Hyderabad Central University and also BHU and crack these exams. Believe me, your life will be you will be very successful in your life. Thank you.